Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's quick video about antifreeze. Before I get with this video, if this video will be helpful for you, don't forget to give me a like for this video, and if you're not subscribed, please do so, subscribe to this channel. So when you go to the store and you looking at the antifreeze, and you can buy two different kinds, like this one. Well, it could be different colors. This is about being pre-diluted over here. See, it's a 50-50, which according to Ford, pre-diluted 50 mixed, pre-mixed up already. This is good for minus 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Or you can find concentrated. So what's the difference? Well, basically concentrated, it's a pure antifreeze, which is too strong. I mean, meaning if you're gonna put it in your car, you're not gonna do any damage, but this is just overspending your money. So you can actually either buy pre-diluted, and you don't have to worry about anything. Just put this, whatever your color you use, in your car and forget about this. This one even cheaper a little bit. So like for me, this is a Ford product. Concentrated cost like $3 more. But if I could add another 50-50 mix up with the water, I could save a whole bunch of money really, because I mean for $3 extra I could get another gallon, and with the prices nowadays that it's going up like crazy, I mean it sounds like a good idea. But there is a tricky part about this. There is a few very important rules. Actually, there's only one important rule when you mix up with the water. Never put tap water when you mix it up. Purified water is not good, or bottled water is not good. You always have to use water that's supposed to say distilled water, like a gallon of the distilled water, and Dollar General right now it's $1.75. So you actually saving not that much money, but you have to work a little bit to make sure you have a proper water, extra empty jar to mix it up. So I don't know if it's worth a headache for most of you guys, but if you decided to do this, again, make sure you use distilled water. Why it's important? Because especially your tap water or even bottled water still have minerals in the water, and what it's going to do to your coolant system, especially your radiator, it actually has a whole bunch of super thin copper tubes that those minerals inside the water over the time are gonna plug your radiator, and you're gonna spend, I mean you're gonna say $1.75, and you eventually gonna spend $200 for the radiator itself and a whole bunch of money for the labor if you're not gonna do it yourself, or at least you're gonna spend a whole bunch of time, and you're gonna have to add buy more coolant, because when you're gonna drain that one, you're gonna have to add more. I mean, the one that you're gonna drain from the system is not gonna be good. So basically, if you're not gonna use the right coolant, meaning basically not correct water, you could damage your coolant system. So guys, think about it. Maybe to just cancel all of the headache. Yes, with this thing, you're probably gonna save, I don't know, $5 to $10, depending on whatever you're using it. So I don't know if it's worth for you saving $5. Again, make sure you use distilled water, not any other kind of water will not work. I mean, if it's emergency situation, anything will work. Pretty much any type of fluid will work, obviously, except the flammable stuff. But if you want to do it right, and especially you have maybe old system and you think, okay, it doesn't really matter, you know, and you just keep adding on like maybe a quart of the coolant every couple of weeks or once a month, and you think, who cares, this is the old car. Well, again, you know, you either spend $1.50 on the correct water, or you're gonna spend on the junky car $300, $400 for the new radiator and labor, or maybe even more. So think about it. You know, I think it just, if you go this route, saving as much as possible, still go with the correct water. And I'm not gonna tell you the recipe how to make this water at your home. It's possible, but this is like a major headache. Not worth it, you know. It's just go to the Walmart, Dollar General, whatever, buy a jar of this. If you go this route, $1.75, do it right and forget about it. Anyway, so thank you for watching this video, and good luck.